I'm going to show you how to make these delicious, easy and gluten-free waffles. Let's go. So for this recipe, you need 300 grams of gluten-free flour. I use a bread mix that's very similar to Dove's Farm gluten-free white bread mix. You also need 100 grams of sugar, some vanilla sugar as well, 100 grams of butter, 4 eggs, half a liter of milk, 7 grams of psyllium husk powder, a teaspoon of gluten-free baking powder, and a pinch of salt. You're also going to need a waffle mold, just something like that. If you don't have one, you can find it very easily on Amazon. There's a link in the description of this video. So the first thing you need to do is put your butter in a big bowl, and then you're going to pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds just to melt the butter. And there you go. Once your butter is melted, we're going to add all the other ingredients. First, the sugar and the vanilla sugar. Next, the gluten-free flour, the psyllium husk powder and the baking powder. Next, the pinch of salt. And finally, the 4 eggs and the 500 milliliters of milk. Then simply take a hand mixer and mix it all. If you don't have a hand mixer but you have a blender, you can also dump all the ingredients in the blender and mix everything. If you don't have either of these, just mix it by hand. It will take you a little longer, but it will be fine. And there you go. Look at this. Perfect. Now, the next thing you need to do is prepare your waffle molds. I personally take a little bit of vegetable oil and I brush it in. I know silicone is not supposed to stick, but in my experience, it's a lot better if you've oiled them a little bit before you put your dough in the mold. And then once your waffle tray is ready, you simply take the batter and put about 2-3 spoonfuls in each waffle case, as it were. And there you go. As you can see, I've still got some dough left. This quantity really makes about 12 waffles. So now I'm just going to pop them in the oven at 200 degrees for about 20 minutes. And there you go. Look at this. They're completely cooked. I'm going to let them cool down for 5 minutes and then it will be tasting time. And there you go. Look at this. They look beautiful, don't they? Now let's taste. Now you can eat them just like that. I love them plain, but you can also put anything you like. Really, our favorites are homemade chocolate spread. I can publish the recipe for this if you like, or just plain icing sugar. We just put it like that and we just dust the waffle with icing sugar. It's delicious. So, tasting time as usual. So nice. And look at this. Here's the one with chocolate spread. Oh my goodness. Absolutely delicious. Please let me know in the comments if you'd like my recipe for the homemade chocolate spread. It's delicious. You can even make it dairy-free if you like. And by the way, if you want to make these waffles dairy-free, you can. You simply use vegetable oil, neutral tasting vegetable oil, like sunflower oil instead of butter, and use a plant-based milk like soya milk or almond milk. It works beautifully. I've tried and tested it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below this video. If you have a special request for recipes, same thing. Just post them in a comment below this video. If you enjoyed this video, my guess is you love this one next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.